Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter Panel Van Highline. It comes with the 2-litre diesel engine and offers the manual transmission. It's also finished in the pure grey paintwork, offering a sleek look. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find your headlight unit with automated activation for easy clarity. You've also got the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels in that silver finish. And then on the front and rear you can expect to find parking sensors which will aid you when manoeuvring. Into the load bay you'll find the rear tailgate allowing for easy access, as well as the sliding side door. It comes with the full ply lining as well as lashing rings on the floors for load restraint. Onto the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and electrically adjustable folding and heated door mirror controls. Nice styling inside as well, with the two-tone grey look matched in the cloth upholstery with a manual adjustment and an armrest in the centre. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter as well as volume for the main media system. On the right you've got the next and back buttons as well as some controls for the digital cockpit screen. Taking a look at that screen you've got the assist systems available: audio, telephone connectivity, vehicle status and driving data. On the main media system itself you can expect to find AM, FM and DAB radio offering stations from across the country, as well as an SD card reader, USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio. The latter also doubles as hands-free calling as well, allowing you to keep connected when driving. And you have even got the option to connect via USB for smartphone integration using apps such as media streaming or satellite navigation. Front and rear parking sensors do also provide a diagram, making it that much easier to manoeuvre. Underneath the screen you'll find the climate controls, nice and easy adjustment there with a heated windscreen there on the right. Manual gear stick just behind that with the 5-speed, and to the left you'll find a 12-volt cup holder and USB-C connections. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.